What should I do to generate leads using social media? You and I know that if you don't generate leads, you will not make any sale. Most people are not aware of the fact that along with social media content creation, you should have a lead generation system in place to start collecting leads for your business. The solution is to create a lead magnet, a free resource like a PDF guide that teaches them something valuable that they can receive in exchange for their name and email address. Connect them to an email autoresponder like ConvertKit, link in bio, and share your landing page with your audience. Leads are generated when you start promoting your lead magnet on social media. In the links in your bio, ask them to comment to grab your free guide, ask them to DM you. Make sure to mention this in all of your content pieces, whether that's an image, post, or a video. I have created a 31-page free guide on how to build a 6-figure online business using social media. Want it? Comment free guide so that I can share them with you.